Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. Market is full of surprises, and this time we got a gap down opening on the chart of gold. Right after the market opening, we got to see some technical correction on gold. Gold made a low of 2643. And gold also filled the gap immediately. Market doesn't like gaps. Whether it's stock market, commodity market, or forex market, doesn't matter. Market doesn't like gaps. So there was a gap down opening and market filled the gap immediately. And we can see that market is again continuing the overall bullishness. So my dear friend, if you're looking for a detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday where we discuss everything in detail because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. On Saturday, as we discussed that this is no longer a scalpers market or day traders market. This is a market where you need to buy at retracement and just sit on the position. Because in this market, if you scalp for 10 pips, 20 pips, 10 pips, 20 pips, or if you exit frequently, then you will be missing the huge chunk of the profit. Right now, the market is bullish, that we can see clearly. So following the trend of the market, respecting the trend of the market, it's better to sit on a buy position right now. So those who have ongoing buy on gold as a swing trader, positional trader, day trader, continue because sky is the limit for gold right now. If gold breaks this particular high here, 2662 area, it will be heading towards 2685, the last significant high of gold. Maybe we will get to see some correction or retracement around 2685, and eventually gold should break 2685 and head towards 2700. Until and unless a big fundamental reason comes, we will not get a trend reversal. We have discussed plenty of times on regarding gold that for a trend reversal we need a big fundamental reason, and which is missing in the market right now. Till then, market will be continuing the bullishness. So it's better and safer for us to be on buy position only. If you want to make money, try to sit on the buy position. Okay. So those who have ongoing buy continue, and those who are looking for a fresh position in the market, buy and retracement is the best trading strategy. So if you have taken a buy in the morning, then you can sit on a buy. Maybe we will get to see some correction around this area here, but eventually it should go up again. Clear? And if market doesn't come for retracement, for example, right now, okay, if market comes for retracement, the best retracement level seems to be around 2640 area. Okay. Around this particular area, we can expect that market will get some support. Along with that, we also have the 50 moving average coming up. So around 2640, 2639 area, okay, we can expect a support. But the problem is that market is too bullish. Right now, 2640 seems to be far away from the current market price. So in that case, we can look for support around 2650 area as well. During the European session, if you see gold is coming down, okay, gold is coming down with small candles, then we can look for a support around 2650 because the previous resistance will be working as support. It's a round number. The psychological factor will also be working here. So 2650 minus support, but it should work in this condition. Otherwise, we have support around 2640 area. Okay, so buy and retracement is the best trading strategy. But when market doesn't come for retracement, then obviously buy and breakout is the only trading strategy we have. So right now we can clearly see that market is almost standing at the previous high here. So if gold breaks 2662, we can look for a buy above it. If you're planning to sell, okay, then you need to be careful because see, market structure is bullish because market is continuously forming higher highs here. Let me show you. Okay, see, you can see market is continuously forming higher highs here, and in this type of market structure, taking a sell at previous high is very risky. So if you have the experience, if you're a scalper, you have been trading for 2 to 3 years, then you can look for a sell position. But if you're a beginner, not in a position to take big risks, then obviously following the trend of the market is the best trading strategy for you. In this case, okay, in this case, 2662 is the level where you can look for buy above it if you do not want to take risk, because on Monday usually we don't get to see much volume, but today is different. Today we have volume, but still if you want a more safe trading opportunity, in that case what you can do is, okay, you can wait for the market to come down. After breakout, when market will be coming down again, the same level 2662 will be the new support. Right now it is working as the minor resistance. The minor resistance will become the new support. Then you can also look for a buy around this area. Personally, I am not planning to take any sell position around this area here, because see, market is bullish right now. I'm not saying that it is impossible for the market to reverse. See, market may reverse, market may give you 30-40 pips also, but I have some discipline. Okay, I follow a particular trading style, so at least I will be looking for buy positions only. So if you are an experienced trader, if you have been scalping for last 2 to 3 years, then you can obviously look for a sell around this area, but be very careful. Okay, and will I be trading at buy above 2662? I'm not sure right now. If I see that market is going above this particular area with a good amount of volume, then I may consider taking a buy. Usually we don't get to see much volume on Monday market. Today is a Monday market, but today is a special Monday. Okay, so let's wait and watch right now, because see, we have plenty of time left. Less time will speak. Okay, otherwise be careful right now. Again, I'm repeating, okay, this is a market where, okay, where buy at retracement is the best trading strategy, where you will get the best price in the market. Okay, if you have any buy, continue. And if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, obviously buy at retracement is the strategy that you should be following. Okay, in this case, okay, you can look for a buy on 2650 area or 2640 area. 2650 is a minor level. 2640 seems to be a better level, but it is far away. And if market doesn't come for retracement, then obviously we are left with buy at breakout. So during the day, okay, if we see that market is going above 2661 area, you can look for a buy above 2662. Okay, and as I have already showed you guys that the structure of the market is bullish, market is forming higher highs, so taking a sell at the previous high is not a very wise idea right now, especially if you're a beginner, new trader. If you are an experienced scalper, you have got good amount of experience, then you can look for a sell, but otherwise it's better to be on the buy position only. And if market breaks the level with a big green candle, means with volume, then we can look for a buy above it. But still, if you do not want to go for buy at breakout, you are scared, in this case, what you can do is you can wait for the market to come for retracement, because right now 2661 is the resistance. The same level will be working as the new support, okay, once market breaks it. So this is the market condition right now. If market breaks 2661 level, then market will be heading towards 2670 area. Rest time will speak. Because we have the ultimate resistance around 2685 area. Um, let's wait and watch. Okay. All the best. Bye bye. Take care. And you can clearly see that market is giving a surprise. So follow proper risk management. Try not to take a loss above 50 pips. For example, you have taken a sell position, buy position, and if you see that market is giving you some tough time. Okay, you are at a loss of 60 pips. Okay, then try to exit. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and be careful. Trade wisely, trade carefully.